was Blessed, and today I'm gonna read this story. Leni Loud pulls the fire alarm. Here we go. And this is part of the story as well. Here we go. Let's read. Come on, point the camera right over here. When Leni was walking in the hall, she noticed this police station when she stopped by. What is this? It says fire. What does that mean? And then it says shrugs. And then she pulled down the fire alarm and then it says, make it stop, make it stop. Ah! She pulled the fire alarm like stupid. I drew that, by the way. Why is the alarm going off? I don't know. Some pony or someone must have pulled it. Okay, who pulled the alarm? I'm not kidding. Don't worry. I'll investigate the situation. The end. Alright, that was the end of the video. And I hope you like this video. And don't forget to press the like button if you like this video or subscribe. And subscribe for more videos.